Hello YouTube, welcome to a new SYNTH anatomy video. I hope you are fine, and today I want to check out the new iRig Pro Duo I/O. ICO Multimedia sent me this unit over for testing, and you know that I use a lot this epoxy gem here for connecting my hardware synths to my iPad, because then I use my iPad as an effect processor. Then later I use this wonderful Focusrite iTrack dock, which I received quite cheap on Thomann. The device becomes more and more incompatible with the new iPads because they have USB-C, and this one is only compatible here with Lightning connector, and also the thing is that it's made for iPad Air and iPad Mini, so iPad Pros are already very limited here, and so I need to find an other system where I can use my effects with my hardware synths. And so ICO Multimedia contacted me if I'm interested to check out the iRig Pro Duo I/O. I must say it, of course, because it could be my next audio interface for iOS. So what is the iRig Pro Duo I/O? So it's a mobile dual channel audio MIDI interface. So it's an audio and MIDI interface, or how my French guys would say, interface mobile audio MIDI à deux canaux. And what you can see here is it's super portable, and it includes also an USB-C cable, so it's also compatible with the new iPads. And it works with Mac, PC, Android, iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. So very nice here. Then we can see it's ultra portable, so that's handy or important for me. I don't want to use a big interface when I'm on the road. Then it works with the different with iOS, Android, Mac and PC. It has two audio inputs and outputs, and also MIDI in, MIDI out. The interface can be used with guitar lines, mic inputs, but also with synthesizer inputs, of course. There are two high quality preamps with gain. There are LED indicators, a USB input, so you can power it also with USB, and it's also battery powered. That's also very handy here because you can put in some batteries, and there are also low latency Windows drivers. That's also important because always we talk about iPad and Apple, and so Windows is also here supported. Then on the other side you see it has many apps. It works with Amplitude, Sample Tank, GarageBand and much more, so mainly all the iOS apps you know. And it includes also some cool free software, so you get on PC Mac Amplitude 4, Sample Tank 4 SE, so that's a limited edition of the Sample Tank 4, but with a lot of instruments inside, 9 T-Rex processors, and also 25 custom shop gear credits. Also nice here. Then for iOS you get also some apps for free, the Amplitude, Sample Tank, Vocal Live and iRig Recorder Pro Bundle. Nice package. The interface costs around 240 euro currently on Thomann, and it's coming very soon. What is maybe a bit expensive, but not expensive if you see what it can, because it's super portable. It doesn't need a power supply, or so you can put it in your pocket and you have a powerful MIDI and audio interface. So let's unbox it. There's a nice black box here. First we have our typical serial number and so on. So don't lose this. Then we have here the interface. Super handy. It looks even bigger on the package, but it's super handy here. You can see here there are two inputs for the guitar or for line inputs. You can control the input here on with the wheels here. Change the gain. You have a direct monitor on off here, an headphone output with a volume control. On the back side you can input here 2 batteries. That's very handy, especially for mobile situations. Then we have MIDI in and MIDI out, but on DIN cables. So that's maybe the minus point here. You have MIDI, but over these adapters. And then something I really doesn't love on IK Multimedia stuff. Sorry IK, but it's this proprietary connection here. I really love to see here a classic USB input and not these proprietary inputs. Then you have here a power supply input if you need. Then you have 2 big jack outputs here, left and right. And you have here phantom power on off and also the volume. That's pretty nice interface. And then in the back you have here also probably all the cables. You have here batteries. You have here USB connection if you use it with a PC or Mac. Then you have lightning to this input. And you have a USB-C cable also. And then also in the box are the 2 adapters for the MIDI DIN cables. So also nice for connecting hardware synths or any other MIDI controller. So that's the package, what you get from IK Multimedia. You get many adapters, USB, Lightning, USB-C, the MIDI DIN cables, some batteries and the interface. It's a really nice package. Let's check out directly how it works with an iPhone. Here's now the interface and I use here the Lightning cable. Let's take the iPhone. Let's put it in the Lightning port. And what we can see is nothing happens here. But what you need to know is you need a DAW or a host or a workstation where you can work with this interface here. I take here my all-time classic and all-time favorite AOM from Chematica, and you see the iRig Pro Duo I/O lights up, so it has these blue lights here. And if you go here to audio and you put a new channel on, you can see hardware input, and hardware input you see left and right, so it works. And if I made, for example, here an audio unit and I go to hardware output, you can output now the sound from the audio unit 3 instrument here directly to the interface in your headphones or in your speakers. So you can see it works. I must see how well it integrates in my system and how well it performs. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this interface? If you have some questions, let me know in the comments below. And hope you enjoyed this video. Big thanks for watching and see you soon in one of the next videos. Bye!